You see an exotic house. It looks quite foreign, quite different. You see, this is the house, very different from any other. It's one-storied and the design is fabulous. You see trees, and you have in the back, you see the garden. Here you see beautiful. Yeah, this room is for studies, and the stairs you see zigzag a little bit round, very different, very beautiful, very fabulous. You see here very beautiful trees, plants, vegetables, fruit trees like this. You see the rooftop different from other houses. You see in Canada, in different countries, Western countries, you may see such kind of houses. In our country, we have always built the multi-storied building. You see a lot of plants, beautiful plants, very healthy foods and fruits are there, vegetables, beautiful. So look at the rooftops. This is Labuni Cottage. My niece's name is Labuni, and her name, this house has been named. This is in Amla, is the market nearby, and this is under Kushtia district. Thanks for watching.